My love, there's only you in my life, the only thing that's right.
My first love, your every breath that I take, your every step I make.
And I want to share all my love with you. No one else will do.
And your eyes, they tell me how much you care. Oh yes, you will always be my endless love.
Two hearts that beat as one. Our lives have just begun.
Forever,
I'll hold you close in my arms. I can't resist your charms. I'll be a fool for you, I'm sure.
you know I don't mind.
Oh, you know I don't mind loving you. You mean the world to me. Oh, I know. I found in you my endless
Ayan, hi madam. Wow, thank you so much. Hi guys. Welcome to my vlog. Hi. Salamat kuya. Hi, Ditch. Kamusta?
Hi, Daddy, Mommy. There's forever in this world.
Kumain po kayo madami. Kain natin. Uhaw yan. Napagod kayo. Uhaw.
Gusto mo
yan.
ads?
Anong ads?
Gusto mo ads?
Ano?
RC?
Ay, kuya.
Pwede na kayo mag-vlog ka kasi ito. Kain na, sir.
Kain na kayo. K-12. Walang intro, walang intro.
Servisyo lang kita.
Toray, see you na.
Say, kumain ka na. Bye! Ano masasabi mo, ate? For today. Sarap yan. Bawal yan, ha?
Hindi ka na dali.
Yan yung mga gusto.
Ang mawain ni Sus Poling aking ginawa, kaluluwa ni Teresita at David Jr. sapagkat sila umano na rito sa mundo.
Balutin mo ako ng maayos at walang nakatingin. Huwag hayaang maubusan ng dessert at kakanin. Mabuti pa kaya'y ubusin mo at lahatin. At kapalit nito ang pag-i-LBM mo. Walang tigil.
Ayusin mo niya! Ayusin mo niya!